So we had learned about the BODMAS rule in the previous version. Now we will be learning in the same chapter the kind of brackets and the use of brackets while solving an expression. So the types of brackets are square brackets. Now second is this type of bracket and the normal bracket that we use. These are known as the curly brackets, whereas the simple brackets are simple or the curve brackets are this one, and these are the square brackets. Now, which bracket is to be solved first in a particular expression is need to be uh, understood very carefully so that we don't make a mistake while solving an expression. In this particular method, the first bracket that we solve is a simple bracket, always in the BODMAS rule of brackets. The second, when we complete all the operations within this bracket, we solve the expressions and the operations with respect to the curly brackets, and last is the square brackets. So in this order, the operations of the expressions are to be solved. I'll take an example for this particular case is, let's say, 100 minus bracket में 20 square bracket, then a curly bracket of 50, then a simple bracket of 40 minus 10, and we close the square bracket. So in this expression, the first operation that is to be carried out is with respect to this bracket, simple bracket. So what is 40 minus 10? That is 30. We carry forward the balance as it is, balance numbers. There is no mind to be applied before solving the other operations in the same expression. There's this minus sign between the this bracket. So 50 minus 30 is again solving the curly bracket now. 50 minus 30 is 20. Now this bracket is already solved, so we don't need to put the bracket. It's now 20 plus 20, the square bracket, and it is prefixed by 100 minus. So now we solve the square bracket, that is 100 minus 40, that is this expression. And now the final answer comes to 60. So in this expression, what we have learned is the first we have solved is the normal bracket, that is curve bracket. Second is the curly bracket that we have solved. Third is the square bracket we have solved, and balance the number outside the brackets we have solved as per the available data. So this is how the brackets are solved in a BODMAS rule, and with respect to the types of brackets that come into an expression. So this is types of brackets for chapter 2. We finish here only, and we will see more learnings in of the same chapter in next episode. Thank you.